Everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama standing outside of a 16 by 60 Attica. My friends Bob and Tanya were here today and we toured this baby, so I left it unlocked so I could get a video in for you. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. I love making these videos for you guys and showing you the latest and greatest in manufactured home features. All right, going into the, well, let's look at the outside. We've got this nice dormer here that's gonna go over the door, and it also has some shake siding added to it. That's a nice feature to any home. And then we've got a navy blue shutter there. Perfect, looking like a nautical house here. When I opened the door, I was shocked to see this flooring. I can't make any promises. I don't know what's going on here. We had a flooring similar to this a couple years ago that was a grayish color. This looks like it seems to be a tan, but the same type of design. So in the Attica, this is the 2-bedroom version, walking into a wide open space, and I mean wide open. This is the living room and kitchen all flowing together here. Remember I said this is a 16 by 60, so a very common size for a park. Also, very popular size for rentals, which rentals would be in parks. But even if you want to put this home on private land, we've got the financing for that. We've got construction loans for that. We have chattel mortgages, which are home-only loans. Here in the kitchen, we've got Bello Romano on the countertop, and this is proving to be one of our most popular countertops. I would say Glacier Quartzite was in the lead, but this is really starting to show up everywhere that you see the homes. Urban oak on the cabinets. We've got a staggered cabinet up there. That's part of a package, so I can tell this home has a package in it. Heading back to the laundry area first. Primary bedroom. This is just a simple home, and I like the colors that they chose. Here's the closet. We've got the water heater hiding in the closet. Here comes your primary bath. Easily put a walk-in shower in there. Single vanity with a 3-bulb light strip at the top. Headed back to the other end of the home, this is where you're able to have bedrooms, 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms. This customer chose to do the 2-bedroom version, and what happens is that 3rd bedroom is removed right here. And the difference in the sizes is you're gonna lose 5 feet off of this living area and then another 3 feet off of this bedroom to create the 3rd bedroom, if you were wondering. Here's bedroom number 2. I'm having a party September the 19th. We're gonna have an open house here at Champion Home Centers in Topeka, Indiana. We'd love to see you all. Some great deals, some giveaways, some Amish bakeries, and just a really good informational time. If you're wondering how this all works, we're gonna be giving out factory tours all day and really just showing you guys how it's done. If you like the videos, please like and subscribe. And again, as always, thanks for watching.